short video for an assignment in my Database 1 course. I'm going to create a very simple blank desktop database. I'm going to be naming it Assignment02 underscore Tellep. I'll create that. So I will be modeling a student in my table. So I'll switch to design view and I will be naming my table T for table and I'll be naming it student. All right. So the first number is automatically an auto number field. The auto number will automatically generate a unique number going from 1 to, well, really big. So I will be naming this student ID so it has the same name as my table with ID on the end of it. And it's already set up as my primary key, and you can tell that by this little key here next to it. My next attribute will be mNumber for students at my school. That is their student ID number, and we will leave it as a short text, but we'll make the field size to 9 because an mNumber is a capital M, which is why it has to be short text, followed by 8 numbers. Our next data field will be last name, or our next attribute. That will also be short text, and I'll make that 50 in length. Then we will do first name, and I will also make that a short text, and we'll still have it as 50. And then last one we'll do is age, just to get a different data type in there, and we'll make it a number data type, and we'll make it an integer. There it is, integer. And that should be everything that I want to do as far as attributes go. So I'm also required to make a candidate key. So I will do that by going to indexes, which is what I just did. I will name it candidate key, and I will assign it to mNumber because mNumbers are unique, and the candidate key should be unique. And so I'll go down here to where it says unique, and I'll make it yes. Yes, it is unique. Go ahead and exit out of that. And now it is time for me to go ahead and add some records to the table. And yes, I would like to save the table. So here we have the student ID, which is the auto number. So I don't do anything to that because that'll work on its own. So I'll tab over to mNumber, and I will just make up a random mNumber. First or last name, we'll do myself, Tellep Evan. My age is 20. Again, auto number field, I won't do anything to that. I'll make up another random mNumber. And we'll do builder Bob. We'll make him 23. And then one more. And we'll do Skellington Jack. Because those are just the first names that popped into my head. We'll make Jack 346 years old. So just to go back over what I did is I created a table called tStudent, and this lowercase t stands for table. And then I went to design view and I renamed ID, which was already an auto number field, to student ID. It's already my primary key, so I didn't have to do anything with that. I put mNumber in here, and the mNumber is a short text with 9 characters long. It's unique, and that is what I made my candidate key as you can see by my indexes. I added in a few other attributes, and then after that, I went to datasheet view and I created 3 records, one for me, one for Bob the Builder, and one for Jack Skellington. So that is all for my assignment, which means that that is all for the video. So I will go ahead and end it there.